Hello everyone. Today I thought of discussing about biohacking. What is biohacking? Yes, we could have heard about computer hacking. Uh, you have computer hardware, software, and you hack it and mm, experiment something, and you uh, try to get to the bottom of it. The same way, there is another interesting medical as well as engineering field is evolving, and many young bright minds are working already towards that biohacking. And I got to know about this last Bangalore Tech Summit. When I visit there, there were some young minds were working, and I was fascinated, and I was researching about this. Thought of sharing this to the forum. It's like hacking ourselves in our own body and improve the wellness of your mind, your body, your performance, and reduce the stress level. Like you understand your own software within yourself. Like software is your mind, your thoughts, how positively you're thinking, how negatively you're thinking, how to eradicate all these understanding. It's like kind of a lifestyle change, simple lifestyle change to adopting, yeah, latest technology like genetic engineering and stuffs. First thing, and this biohacking is like to consider taking the right nutritions. So people are using different applications, computer applications, to understand our body and its performance and how to enhance the right nutrition that will be beneficial for your body. And the second thing, the sleeping. So mostly every tech enthusiast or most of the society, people are complaining about this screen timing. So because of this screen timing, the sleeping time is reduced or it is affecting. So many wearable devices are there to monitor and optimize your sleeping time to have better sleeping. And exercise. As part of the biohacking, the exercise also come into the picture, and many wearable devices are available to monitor your exercise and your health and your well-being. And these are all being more researched, and according to the specific individuals, some apps are being created and people are working on it. And the technology. There are various technologies being developed as part of this to monitor health, your visibility about each and every innocence, or your heartbeat, or your brain waves. There are lot many stuffs are being discussed as part of this bio engineering. The lastly, genetics, though it is kind of more evolving, but still I was wondering, there is a company already developed, the team of engineers and the technologists are working related to gene editing. Still I am very in the nascent stage. However, there are teams already working, and to understand the genetics of your own inner biology, and based on that you create and you fine tune your activities, and what are you are consuming and how are you delivering. So these are all the fascinating stuffs I'd like to share, and there are more ways to go. Thank you for the time. We'll discuss some other tech talks in future videos. Bye bye.